Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make steak pan sauce. First, after cooking your steak, don't clean that pan. Those brown bits called fond are packed with flavor. Add about 1/2 cup of liquid like red wine or beef broth to the hot pan. Use a wooden spoon to scrape up all those delicious stuck-on bits from the bottom. This process is called deglazing, and it's the foundation of your sauce. Now let's build on that flavor. Add some finely minced aromatics, like 1 tablespoon of shallots or garlic, and sauté them for about 1 minute until fragrant. Next, stir in fresh herbs such as a sprig of thyme or rosemary. These additions will infuse your sauce with wonderful depth. Remember to season with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. To achieve that perfect, glossy consistency, whisk in 1 tablespoon of cold butter. This adds richness and helps emulsify the sauce. Continue to simmer the sauce over medium heat, allowing it to reduce until it coats the back of a spoon. If you prefer a thicker sauce, you can mix 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of cold water to create a slurry, then whisk it in. Your delicious, homemade steak pan sauce is now ready. Carefully pour the warm sauce generously over your perfectly cooked steak. Serve it immediately to enjoy the full, rich flavors. For an even creamier texture, you can stir in 1 tablespoon of heavy cream at the very end, just before serving. This easy method elevates any steak dinner to a restaurant-quality experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.